Mike from Twisted Axle Car Club, and this season on my 70 Coronet we installed the Thompson Performance Power Blast plate, and I can tell you this thing really works. It seems so simple that a piece of metal just put into your carb could make such a difference, but it literally atomizes the fuel and it gave me better throttle response. I'm pleased with it, and I just wanted to give a shout out to Thompson Performance. Right now I'm going to start it up and we're going to show you how it works.